That's lovely. Hi, greetings dear friends. How are you today? Lovely to share the space with you and thanks for tuning in. So, Ntathu here from Yoga Inspires in London. And in today's meditation, I wanted to... let's backtrack a bit. Have you ever been in a situation whereby you've made a mistake, something's gone wrong, you thought you're along one path and actually you're on the other path, things aren't really working out how you want them to do, how you thought they were going to be. And I know when I'm in that situation, I have a habit of kind of like beating myself up, saying, oh God, there you go, why are you so XYZ? And this morning, I did a loving kindness meditation, and I forgot, it's a long time since I've done one of those meditations, and I forgot just how much love there is in self-love, how much power there is in self-love. And it reminded me that any time I slip off the wagon or I'm not following through on my goals, rather than beat myself up, rather than beat yourself up and criticise you, it's just really to take stock, to take a step back, to breathe and to send some sort of love and kindness to your heart and just acknowledge, okay, this has happened, okay? What can I learn from it? What can you do differently? And just to move on from there. And I know that's easier said than done. So this morning I'd like to share it with you. It's a very simple loving kindness meditation. And it's really great if you have been hard on yourself, or if you feel that things aren't working out as you want them to be, or if you're feeling under the weather. Rather than push and struggle and push and hustle, just take a moment to step back, to pause, to breathe, and to send yourself loving kindness. It's the same sort of kindness you'd give to a child who falls over. You wouldn't kind of like push them, drag them to the ground and shake them, sort of say, oh, you stupid child, why are you doing that? You wouldn't. You'd pick the child up, you'd dust them down, you'd say, it's okay, mum's here, it's okay, don't worry about it, it's okay, you know? And it's the sense that it's easier for us, or hands up, easier for me to extend loving kindness to someone else than it is to give to myself. Yet the flip side of that is we can only give, or you can only give to people what you give to yourself. So in a way, to give more to the world, to share more love, it has to come from a full cup. It has to come from that reservoir within. So we have to give ourselves more love. Hi Joe, pleased to see you. And the meditation I'd love to share with you now is called the Loving Kindness Meditation. And it's really great to do if you have been giving yourself a hard time. If you are going through a low patch, or things aren't working out for you in the family or at work, rather than beating yourself up and putting yourself down and criticising yourself, take stock and practice this very simple meditation. Okay. So as usual, before we meditate, it's always best to do like a mental checklist. And that checklist includes letting go of some stress and tension. And that can be through doing breathing exercises. And a wonderful one that we like to do is that when you breathe out through the exhale, you breathe out through your mouth and make that sound, ha sound. For example, you can breathe in. Open your mouth and just softly breathe out. Again, it's just a very simple way to signal to the brain that it's time to relax and focus within. It's a lovely way to release stress and tension from the mind and the body. So let's just do 3 more together as we go through our checklist to prepare to do our meditation. So let's just breathe in. Open your mouth, make the ha sound. Breathe in. Really empty the lungs. Breathe in. One more on the out breath. Open mouth, breathe in, open your mouth wide and say a soft ha sound. So breathe in. Well done. So we've done the ha sound, the breath awareness exercise to calm the mind, the signal to the brain that it's time to relax and go in, that it's safe to do that. We've breathed out. And then make sure that you're sitting your sitting bones. You've got a lovely long spine. Get space between your ears and your shoulders. And really get that sense of sitting strong. You're really kind of like strong, you're elegant, you're in your seat, you're in your power. Nice broad chest. And then I invite you to find a time where you felt really good about yourself. What was going on in your life at that time when you really felt, gosh, this is good. Maybe you worked hard in an exam, you got a really good result. Maybe you baked something, you cooked something, or you gave a gift to someone, they really appreciate it. Just find a moment in time whereby something you initiated, you were part of, felt really good. And hold that feeling in your heart. And as you hold that feeling in your heart, quietly say to yourself, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. I'm just going to repeat that phrase, those three simple words. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. Just keep repeating those three sentences about 5 more times. We'll do it together in a minute. And each time you do it, just really bring into your heart that feeling, that remembrance of how you were feeling that time when you were part of something that really felt good, something that you were part of, that you initiated, you gave a gift to someone, you cooked a meal, you took someone out and they really enjoyed themselves. Just hold that feeling in your heart. And by saying, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well, you're inviting that energy, you're inviting that energy of happiness, you're inviting that energy of health and wellness into your life. It is all about just staying open and allowing the heart to receive. So sitting up nice and straight, got the shoulders lowered, and then just say to yourself quietly, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. Keep saying that softly to yourself, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. Say it softly to yourself 3 more times. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. One more time. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. And slowly open your eyes. Hold that feeling in your heart. We're going to extend that expression, that vibe of health, happiness and wellness to other people in your home. So just for now, just hold in your heart any sort of friends, family, loved ones who may be going through a rough time, may be below par in their health, and just hold them in your heart as we say the words, may you be healthy, may you be happy, may you be well. May you be healthy, may you be happy, may you be well. So keep holding that person or persons in your heart and just wish them blessings, love and peace. May you be healthy, may you be happy, may you be well. May you be healthy, may you be happy, may you be well. 3 more times. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. 1 more time. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. And just keep saying that phrase over and over in your mind's eye. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. Extend it to loved ones. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. 1 more time. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. And just come back to the breath. And just be still, saying those words quietly in your heart center. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be well. Well done. And just slowly take time to find your breath and slowly re-engage with the day. Well done. Ooh. Thank you. So that's a variation of a type of meditation called loving kindness meditation, whereby you extend love and kindness to yourself, and then you extend it to friends, family and loved ones, who may not be in the best of health, who may need, a leg on, a chair in hand, a helping heart. Okay. So thanks for taking your time to tune in, to check your breath, to send yourself some love, some health and happiness. And I trust that you be well, that you be healthy, that you be happy. Namaste and thank you. Well done. Cheers. Well done. Take care. Bye now. See you tomorrow. Cheers.